What's up guys, today we have Xiaomi Redmi 9C LCD replacement. The device came without SIM card tray, so we are going to proceed. This can be opened without any screwdriver. You can just detach the frame from the housing and that's it. Be cautious with the fingerprint flex cable we have in the back. You need to remove the shield. Remove two screws, then you can unplug the flex cable of the fingerprint. Now remove the screws from the shield. Unplug the battery, unplug screen flex cable. I'm always recommended to bring the new LCD and test it before assemble. This is very important. Sometimes the screen could become damaged. You can now just plug it on there, turn the device on, and you can test. If the screen is working, then you can assemble. If it's not, you can replace it. I'm not going to proceed with the whole testing. I just wanted to show you the way I just want to test the screen. Alright, after testing the screen was alright, and now I'm going to proceed to remove the loudspeaker, remove all screws. Just to mention, this screen comes with two flex cables, one connect to the mainboard and one connect to the subboard. I didn't notice the one connected to the subboard because the flex cable is too small. So also you need to unplug the other flex cable connected to the sub, because we are going to remove the screen and we don't need to damage anything while we are doing this operation. You can heat the screen with 2 degrees for every 30 seconds and as you need. Then you can use the suction cup to detach the screen from the housing. I just noticed the screen can't be removed, so there is something make this happen. So I'm going to look to see whatever making this happen, and I noticed another flex cable connected to the sub. Alright, the screen comes with two flex cables, one to the board and one to the subboard. Always and ever, to make your job professional, I recommend to clean all over the frame because we need to put the screen on position and fit. We don't need any tiny piece of glass, any dirt, and adhesive to be still there. After that you can clean and put your own adhesive. I'm using now E1000. You can also use T1000. Also there is another adhesive same as this one. No need to put too much adhesive all over the frame, just a tiny bit, and that's it. Be careful not to put near the camera, near the ear speaker, and near the sensors. This is very important. Now we can put the screen on position. Alright, the screen on the position. Now you can assemble the device back. I'm looking at the camera, the front camera, and I'm seeing something weird. That's because there was a sticker covering that camera frame. So you have to remove it. Before that, now you can remove the screen and our job has been done. That was for today. If you have any questions, you can just write it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.